An additional point about monitoring at the job stream level is that we always know through AAI's details where we are in the execution of the job stream. So the system understands the normal path for the job stream because it has average execution times for every job in the system, as well as an average execution time for the entire job stream. So you can very easily determine where you are in the execution of a job stream, what percentage of execution has taken place, and what remains to be run in terms of remaining jobs. So checkpointing can be facilitated by one of the alerts that is available in the definition of a job stream. It is called a checkpoint alert, and it allows you to basically receive an informational alert at certain points in the execution of a job stream. So any one of these percentage levels could be enabled. If you are not interested in receiving an informational alert early on in the execution of a job stream, you can disable those. And using the checkpoint alert will eliminate the checkpoint jobs in AutoSys, which contribute to the overall number of jobs defined in the system. So those would completely go away. They do not have to be maintained in terms of relationships and placement in a particular spot in the application. So what that means is that it reduces the amount of work that goes into maintaining those and potential issues that occur when there are additional jobs inserted into the application and a checkpoint job might not actually reflect a particular percentage, completion percentage envisioned by that checkpoint job. So the bottom line here is that AAI provides a simplification by introducing this checkpoint alert, eliminates a bunch of jobs that essentially performed that function in a different way, and it also frees the monitoring folks from remembering and also following up on these different checkpoints during the execution of an application. So they do not have to check on a set of jobs that they would have to check on if they were monitoring at the job level. So the net effect of using job streams as opposed to monitoring at the job level is that it frees up the time for monitoring folks, and it switches the mode of monitoring from really away from eyes on the glass all the time, and it transitions these folks to basically monitor by exception. So exception-based monitoring, what we are after here, so that normal path does not have to be looked at. Anomalies can be signaled by alerts, things like latency, so that would be a late alert, or not predicted to finish alert. And procedures additionally could be instituted on the receiving end of those alerts by setting up rules to handle those conditions. A common use case would be opening a service ticket in the ticketing system and then basically having a process downstream from that to handle an anomaly that AAI has flagged. So all of this really leads to a more precise and a simplified monitoring mode. It basically frees the staff to do other things, And it also provides an opportunity to establish a repeatable process that is basically on the path to automation. Obviously, automation does not happen overnight, but at least there is an opportunity to establish a repeatable process that is going to be in place and can get better over time.